Was that your favorite song?
We're ready to make our Thai coconut curry chicken. I got rice in my rice cooker, and I also got some naan bread that I'm going to throw in with it, and that's what I'm going to feed my crowd with tonight. So first I got my biggest Dutch oven because I'm doubling this recipe. I'm going to throw in some avocado oil. First thing we're going to do is put in 2 large onions by Delia and 2 bell peppers. Now we're going to have 3 to 4 pounds of chopped up chicken. I've got some chicken thighs and some chicken breasts. I think it's about 4 thighs and 4 breasts. Probably should have added the garlic first. I forgot, but I don't think it's going to matter much. We're going to put our garlic in now. Big heaping spoonful. I've got a tablespoon of ginger. Tablespoon of coriander. Teaspoon of turmeric. Now we're going to add in shredded carrots, about 1.5 cups to 2 cups. Three tablespoons of Thai coconut curry paste. Here, I didn't worry about you. I'm glad you're doing better now. That was like Sriracha. And now I'm going to add some chicken bouillon and some broth. Ah, you can come stick your face over here if you want. I don't care. You'll either be in it or you won't, but or you'll be speeded up real fast. There you go. Little salt, little pepper, and then we just bring it to a boil for about 10 minutes. Where's my pepper? Pepper. Yes, I think they're both getting chonky because they're not having to share their food with 9 other cats. It is done.
Oh my gosh. No.